Alright, picture this. You're cruising down the highway in your shiny new electric car, feeling like Tony Stark, but suddenly, your battery is lower than my motivation on a Monday morning. Yep, we've all been there. The dreaded hunt for an EV charging station. But guess what? That annoying problem is actually a golden opportunity. I'm Om Vinayak Gupta, and today I'm about to spill the beans on starting your own EV charging station business in a way that's so fun, even your grandma's gonna want in. First things first, why EV charging? Well, besides saving the world and getting eco-hero points, the EV market is popping off faster than popcorn at a summer blockbuster. More people are driving electric, but not enough places to plug in. That's where you come in. Step 1, location, location, location. Think of this like picking the best seat at a concert. You want to be where the action is. Malls, offices, highways, and anywhere people pretend to jog, but actually just want coffee. Step 2, money talk. Yeah, you need some. But good news, there are grants, incentives, and even Uncle Sam wants you to go green. Plus, banks are finally less scared of EV than they were of Bitcoin. Step 3, equipment. Don't cheap out here. Get the good stuff. Fast chargers, user-friendly apps, and maybe a bench so people can sit and reflect on their life choices while they charge. Step 4, make it fun. Add loyalty perks, quirky signs, or even a charging dance challenge. Because who doesn't want to go viral while plugging in their car? Now let's talk profits. You're not just making money from charging fees. Think snacks, ads, and maybe a robot dog to greet drivers. The sky's the limit, people. But here's the secret sauce: community. Support local events, team up with eco-friendly brands, and make your station the coolest hangout spot since the drive-in theater. So, are you ready to turn every empty parking lot into an electrifying business? Hit that like button, subscribe, and drop your wildest EV station ideas down below. Who knows? Your station could be the next big thing. Until next time, I'm Om Vinayak Gupta, charging ahead and trying not to trip over my own extension cords. See ya!